If you've been looking for a DIY traditional hand fan, then you are at the right place because I'm going to be showing you how I made this hand fan in just few steps. So please keep on watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
It's my life. Lazy, 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 lazy. It's my life. I gotta do it.
So these are feathers I got to the hand fan. This is how it looks like. So let's just say we're going. Let's just do this like we're going to what they call it, carnival. Come on. So we need our feathers, then our glue gun and glue stick, then a sellotape and a marker, scissors and razor, a bowl and a plate, and the fabric. So I'm going to go ahead to use the plate to make a circle. Very important. I'm using a carton or a cardboard, whichever way you want to call it. The carton serves as the base of the fan. It's what makes like the fan to be sturdy. I am using the bowl to get the handle of the fan. This just like it makes it to be like really accurate. Then after that, I'm going to be using my razor because I mean scissors was not going to cut it. I went ahead to use the razor to like cut off the handle, but it was too strong, so I still went ahead to use the scissors after I traced it with a marker. So after I'm done, I do the both sides, like both carton piece. So when I'm done tracing out the carton, I'm going to go ahead and use my sellotape to hold the handle in place. This just helps the carton to hold and to be standing firm because I'm going to be doing so many other things on it. I use two carton or cardboard because I want the fan to be very strong and to not be too flexible. Like it should not be obvious that the base is actually a carton. Then for the handle to be a bit soft, I went ahead to use this foam. They use it for fabric. I think they also use it for like inside pillowcase. It's called a fiber foam. I need to confirm, but yeah. I used it, I placed it on the handle, then I'm using a sellotape to hold it in place. I also did it up of the handle so at least it can also be a bit firm. Then the sellotape wasn't working good for me, so I went ahead to put the glue gun, then I placed the foam on the glue gun. Just this just helps to make sure that the carton is not too thick, like the handle is not too thick. It gives it more, it makes you more comfortable when holding it. So after I put the glue gun, put the foam, I still went ahead to put the sellotape to then make it to be a bit more comfortable. So what I did next, I used sellotape to join the two cartons together before I start putting the feathers on the cardboard. So this is the feather and this is the carton. So what I'm doing, I'm going to put in my glue gun. See what I was supposed to do was I was supposed to use a fabric to cover the carton, like a red fabric. But at the beginning stage, I thought, oh, this feather is gonna be enough because I actually got 6 yards of feather. And I felt, oh, it will be enough. I don't want the fan to be too full. Guys, I like I had to even start removing from this particular side just so that I can fill up the back. But you will see, just watch because I corrected my mistake, you know. So yeah, just continue watching. I told you guys I corrected my mistake. So I had this fabric lying around and like I just needed the inside to be very neat. So I went ahead there to use the fabric, red fabric. So what I'm doing now, I use glue gun. The glue gun is to hold the fabric in place because honestly glue gun works so well with fabric because it's very firm. If I had used a sellotape, it would not have worked. Glue gun is just the best thing ever, especially when you're dealing with fabric. So yeah, I use the glue gun to lay all the fabric on the fan. Even like the other side was so much better because I haven't done anything there, so it was way faster and better for me to place the fabric. As you can see, it looks so neat and so fine. Like I felt so much better. I felt so relieved that okay, even if I give so much space, the inside would not be that obvious because it's red, the color of the fabric. So if you're using a blue feathers, you need to actually put a blue fabric inside. So just that it won't be looking too obvious and to actually look neat and professional because I can actually sell this fan if I want to, if I get a buyer. So if you like it and you want to buy it, please let me know and I would tell you or give you a fee. Yeah. So yeah guys, so after now I tested the fans, make sure everything is good. Then I went ahead to put the design. The design were gotten from the main cloth fabric, just in case you might be confused. So yeah. So I use a soldering iron. This is like an actual iron, but it's very hot. This iron is used to trace out fabric instead of using your scissors. Like this is just the best thing. My sister is a tailor, so I was able to get it from her just to use for this tutorial. So I use the soldering iron to trace out my fabric, like to trace out the fine grains of the fabric to place on the fan. It's giving luxury. And it's so soft. Ah. Let's do carnival. Oh no 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 no. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends. Thank you for watching once again. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.